Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. Wanted to put out a brand new video and show you a product that we just launched. Got it ranked into the top 10 for the main keyword within a few weeks. And you can see over here, it's a 40,000 search volume term. We started off in the 215th spot on 627. Now we're in the 9th spot at 711. That's 2 weeks later. This morning we were in the 13th spot. It's so new that it got into the top 10. It's not even registering over here. Wanted to put this out there. A lot of people are probably saying to themselves, a lot of Jaime's videos look the same. They're always dealing with organic ranking. And yes, they are, because that's the most important thing when it comes to building a product on Amazon. That's how you build $1 million products. That's how you build up all the sales momentum. I always keep putting those videos out there because it's so important for everyone to realize. And also, I want to show people that I'm not just a one-hit wonder. A lot of people, they'll build one or two great products, get lucky. I'm putting out videos every week of different products that I'm doing the same thing for, building up the organic ranking, building up the sales momentum. And I just wanted to show you guys how important it is. Over here, you can see the ranking. We started off in the 270,000 in the category BSR. And now look over here, we are 14,000. And it's going to keep getting better and better, of course, because we're just in the top 10 now. Yeah, we're in the 9th spot. So we're going to keep getting that higher and higher. Nowadays, you got to get to the top 5. But I just wanted to show you guys that you should always keep pushing to the top. Organic rank is the most important thing. Builds up the sales, helps the PPC, sends the right signals to Amazon. It's the most important thing that you have to be focusing on. And then now that we got this one term that brought us from 270,000 to 14,000, which is huge, imagine all the other terms. They're still going up. Other terms are going up automatically, but now they're low-hanging fruits. And now we're going to target and tackle all those and get those all up. And not to the top 10, to the top 5, because nowadays top 5 is the most important thing. Top 10 is years ago. Now there's too many ads all over the place, too many Amazon's brands all over the place. Got to get into the top 5. And yeah, I just wanted to put this out there. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.